Oh my god. Holy crap, that's huge. Hi, I'm Levi. I'm an editorial photographer here at Zulily for about 3 years now. I build a lot of sets here in the studio, a lot of home builds and stuff like that, so pretty physical here at work, which I like to go camping, go hiking, kayaking, that kind of stuff when I'm not at work. So I tend to look on the site for that kind of stuff. Boots, I buy a lot of hiking boots like Doc Martin that have been on the site before. I tend to buy a lot of that kind of stuff on the site, so I've bought a tent, a hammock, and that kind of stuff. And then I got some stuff today that I'm excited to open. The bag, let's do the bag. So this is a dry bag. I go kayaking a lot, so I'm always taking my backpack with me, but it's always soaked and I'm afraid I'm gonna like sink it at some point. So I saw this on the site and usually they're pretty expensive. So I was hunting something a little more affordable and I happened upon this brand Otter Pack, and this is like one of the larger bags and it has like a zip pocket in the front for like your phone or something like that. Water bottle carrier on the side, and this is actually a backpack, so you can kind of like wear it. And I mean, if you're familiar with dry bags, the roll down top is super awesome. It's like waterproof, completely sealed. Actual clips on the side instead of some of the smaller bags you clip around the top, but this like goes down the side so you can fill it up more, which I liked. My dry bags were too small, so this is a little bit, gosh, it's so deep. My whole body. And this was only like $29.99, which is like super cheap for this kind of thing. So yeah, check it out, Otter Pack. Comfortable, I can't wait to try it out. I'm actually going camping this weekend. It's like a couple hours outside of the city. Going hiking and swimming down there at the lake, and I get to sleep comfy now. It's like a little mattress for your tent, and it's super lightweight, super tiny, so it's definitely like resistant to like weather. Whoa, it's kind of big. Yeah, it's huge. Should we try it? Super easy. Like the nozzle is just like a quick twist, and you just blow right into it. Super cool, right? Like you can see the little ridges on it, so just like an extra cushion. Last time I went camping, I was laying on the ground and I woke up in the most awkward position ever. So I'm excited for this weekend. Last but not least, I got this cool thing. So it's a multi-tool. It's like a little hatchet with a little hammer on it and a little crowbar. And with this event, and I just kind of added to cart because last time we were camping, we were breaking up twigs from the forest and trying to like find kindling, and breaking it with your foot, sometimes, you know, the bigger pieces and stuff like that, not really working. So sometimes you need a little extra. Like it's all metal and feels pretty sharp. Like, got like a nice rubber grip on there on the end. Like super easy and basic, but you never know when you need something like this. Like everyone's gonna borrow this tonight when we go camping to set up, to hammer in the stakes. Because last time everyone was like stomping on the ground. Well, I think right now my favorite is the Otter Pack out of my things today because I'm tired of my bag being soaking wet and having to dry it out every single time. But I think tomorrow morning, I think this will be my favorite because I'm gonna actually get a good night's sleep in a tent, which is a rare thing. Thank you so much for unboxing with us. Be sure to like and comment and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. And yeah, stay tuned. Check out the camping events. They're really cool. I feel like if there's another event like this on the site, you'll catch me there for sure.